A year ago, I was new to the world of NAS. Up until then, I'd been trapped in the never-ending cycle of sub-based cloud backup solutions. It's easy to get complacent and lazy and just carry on doing the same old thing. But over the past year, I found the huge benefits of using a NAS. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use my NAS every day, and then how I plan to use a second NAS, this one, the all-new DXP4800 GT from UGREEN. I'll show you why the 4800 GT will fit perfectly into my workflow and why I couldn't imagine being without a NAS. Although on the face of it, other than this lovely black and rose gold livery, it doesn't look that much different to my 4800 Pro from the outside, but we'll find out the secret sauce is all in the details of this latest NAS from UGREEN. Now, just to be clear, I'm not going to get into all the technical details of how a NAS works and all the very intricate details about the clever stuff going on inside. Other channels do that way better than me. But what I can tell you after 12 months of using a NAS is why I use it and what the benefits have been, and why the second NAS has become almost an essential next step for me. Getting one of the basics out of the way first is what's known as a 3-2-1 of backing up. In a perfect world, you'd have 3 backups on 2 different devices, and the final backup should be air-gapped. Some cloud storage is still handy, but here's the thing, you can probably get away with some free cloud storage as part of your 3-2-1 plan, and I'll explain how that works in a moment. There are 2 main obvious drivers to choosing a NAS over any cloud storage solution, and that's speed and security. The difference I found in downloading, and in particular uploading, is massive. It's been a huge time saver. You see, because the NAS is a physical device in your home or studio, you can take those really large files, put them on an SSD and plug that directly into your NAS, or drag and drop onto your desktop personal folder. I don't care how fast your connection is, nothing can beat the sort of transfer speeds I get working like that. The ports on this new DXP4800 GT are all about speed too, and are going to make things even faster for me. When I bought my M4 Pro Mac Mini, I had a feeling that at some point I'd get a NAS, so I spec'd it with a 10 gig Ethernet port. I now have that port connected directly to the NAS via one of the 2 RJ45 Ethernet 10 gig ports you get on the 4800 GT, which means I'm getting the best possible speeds between my NAS and my Mac. And now I've got that second port on the 4800 GT, I'll probably run a cable directly from that to the hub in the studio as well. On this DXP4800 GT NAS, you get a Type-C USB 3.2 port and a USB 3.2 port on the front, both with theoretical data speed of 10 gigs per second, so all of the quick stuff is front-facing, making it more usable and practical. And crucially for me, it also has an SD card slot, which I use all of the time. The first thing I do when I get back from town after a shoot is to pop the SD card into the NAS to get everything backed up. I do the same with the video too. I can port off those chunky Canon files quickly onto the NAS for peace of mind using that SD card slot. If I'm away overnight on a shoot, I back up my photos remotely to NAS from the Mac. I use my NAS so much that I've got the UGREEN app saved in the dock. On the back of the NAS, you have a couple of standard USB 2 ports and a 4K HDMI port, which I've thought about using with a display, sort of like in the old days, you know, when servers used to have their own monitors attached. I mentioned security being another big plus with a NAS too. When you use cloud storage, you may think it's safe, but it's still out there in the wild. With a NAS, you're in control. It comes with pro-grade security anyway, and you, and only you, are in control of who has access to your data. Nothing can be more secure than storing your data locally. UGREEN recommends choosing NAS-specific drives, as these systems are built for 24/7 storage and data management use, so selecting the correct drives is essential to getting the best hassle-free performance from your UGREEN NAS. These are purpose-built NAS from the ground up and are built like tanks, and over the past year, touch wood, I've had 0 problems. I've both my NAS configured to RAID 5, which is a good general way to set up your NAS too. It means that if one of the drives goes down, you can simply replace it and it'll get rebuilt from one of the other drives. Before getting on to how I use my NAS in my workflow, just a quick mention of some of the other internals in this DXP4800 GT that'll make it so quick. Firstly, there's the RAM. It comes with 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM, which means you'll be able to navigate around the NAS fast and be able to have more apps open at the same time. And as time goes by and you start using your NAS more, you can also upgrade this unit to a whopping 64 gigs of RAM. This NAS comes with a Ryzen 2514 processor, and it's the processor, it's the heart of your NAS. And it's important because it's the processor that initially deals with all the information you send to it. This is a fast 4-core, 8-thread processor that's built for heavy workloads, and those 4 cores, well, they'll preserve the CPU as much as possible, even under heavy loads. Lastly, you get 2 NVMe slots inside as well. You don't have to use both though, it's entirely up to you. You could use just one of the slots, which you could use as RAID, or for cache. With both slots used, you could use one for cache and one as volume, and both slots can handle up to 8 terabytes. Right, so how do I actually use my NAS, and how do I plan on using that second NAS? As you may know, and as I've mentioned, I'm a photographer, either here in the studio or from a hotel room. As soon as I finish shooting for the day, I create a folder in the Photos app on the NAS and back up all the day's pictures to that. But where the NAS has really come into its own for me is editing in Lightroom. Lightroom sees the NAS as a local volume. Why is that so handy? Well, I'll tell you. Before, I'd have to download and input all of the photos into Lightroom and then decide which one I was going to use for the final edit. But now, as the images are already on the NAS, I simply select the folder and then go through all the shots and even make the edits. All of that happens directly on the NAS. Then when I'm happy with the edit, I simply export that single image to Lightroom and then publish it to the Lightroom community, to Threads, and to Instagram from there. Adobe charges a small fortune for extra storage, but for me, all the storage and redundancy are all on the NAS. It's honestly brilliant. I can't imagine working without a NAS now. And again, it saved me time and money too. I've only recently stumbled across this feature, but I use it every single day. As you'd expect from UGREEN, the Photo app is packed with all manner of AI-powered photo management tools to help you search for photos by keyword search, automatic classification, and even sensitive content blurring. Then the other unique way I'll be using my 4800 GT is as a media server for my music. I spent very nearly 10 years as a radio presenter. I hosted specialist late night radio shows that played rare groove, and nearly all of it was from vinyl. That means I have a pretty big vinyl collection. Now, I did have the good sense to rip it all to 44.1 WAVs, but when they were on the cloud, they were just sitting there, they weren't being used. Cloud solutions are not media streamers. But a few months back, I installed the music app on the NAS, and I've slowly been building up my vinyl collection on here. The great thing with the UGREEN music player is that you can add album art, metadata, and play the album start to finish just the way you would an album, say, in Apple Music or in Spotify. With the good studio monitors I've got here, it's almost as if I'm listening to the original vinyl from the turntable. Also, at home, I can play this vinyl collection in the kitchen or the living room via AirPlay and using my HomePods. Honestly, I'm in heaven. This NAS means I'm actually listening to my vinyl again, and it's the best thing ever. I can listen to it anywhere, anytime, even in the car via the iPhone app. I'm in love with it. The next thing I'm going to try is importing movies from DVDs onto the NAS and streaming movies from it. I've not done it yet, but it's something I'm really keen to try. There's no need to install any third-party apps. UGREEN have their own theatre app. I think all I need to work out is how to rip DVDs to the Mac and then save them to the theatre app. Now, I mentioned earlier that I still plan on using some cloud storage as part of my 3-to-1 approach, but here's the thing. I don't need much, and I won't be paying for it either. So I'm just going to use the 15 gigs I get free with Google Drive and back up the latest 2 or 3 photo sessions to it until I know they're edited and saved, and smaller documents, things like PDFs, contracts and emails. In some videos I made earlier this year, I created some PDF user guides, and they're all stored on the NAS as well. And whenever I need to share files, I create links on the NAS and share those. As I told you, my NAS has become crucial in nearly everything I do. I only upload smaller files to the cloud though, so I'm not waiting for massive files to upload. It saves on both time and cost, but I know all those essential files are air-gapped and also safely on my NAS as well. But crucially, all those essential files are now air-gapped. All UGREEN NAS have a cloud drives app that's simple to set up, really simple to set up, and it's Google Drive ready. It's free, so I figured, why not make use of it? Then the final part of the 3-to-1 backup plan now will be for me to take this original NAS, the 4800 Plus, that I've been using this past year at the studio, home, and use a sync and backup app, which is another app I found on the UGREEN App Store. Essentially, I'm going to have these two NAS backing up and talking to each other. Speaking of their apps and the UI in general, I love UGOS Pro. Older servers, because let's face it, NAS are basically servers by any other name, used to be Windows-based. And as you can imagine, I wasn't really a fan, but UGOS Pro is clean, quick, simple, and much more appealing and user-friendly. You know, I think this will be about the best setup I've ever had for both productivity and redundancy. And what I love about it the most is that other than that initial cost, which you'll quickly recoup, it's free, much quicker and secure. I also happen to love being in control, plus you'll get all the other benefits that I've spoken about. I can't imagine working without a NAS, and the fact that I can also listen to my precious vinyl again, well, that's just been the icing on the cake. This NAS can also act as a unified surveillance hub. You can connect multiple on-VIF cameras from different brands and monitor everything in real time, with all footage stored locally for full privacy and security. This NAS can be used for smart home integration and is compatible with both Matter and Apple Home, and it can be used with the UGREEN Surveillance Center, helping you to manage and monitor your security footage directly from your NAS. And if you're wondering how you go about setting up your UGREEN NAS for the very first time, I'm going to leave you a video at the end that I made a while ago that covers all of that for you. It'll also show you the apps that you can use on your iPad and on your iPhone too. This UGREEN DXP4800 GT is the next generation of NAS, which is built for speed, endurance and all-round performance, which is why it's become an invaluable part of my daily workflow and part of the kit I rely on so heavily. All UGREEN NAS come with a quibble-free 2-year warranty, as they are certain that you're going to love their kit. I'll make a follow-up video over the next few months letting you know how I've got on with the theatre app and streaming movies at home, and also how I got on backing up one NAS to the other. If that sounds like it might interest you, then don't forget to get subbed for more NAS and other tech videos too. And also, why not become part of the vlog crowd? I've got another channel that I've set up and I vlog on it every day, and I'll leave a link to that below. The UGREEN NAS GT series is now available on the UGREEN website and on Amazon, and by using my exclusive discount code DXP4800 GT, you can get 20% off. It's hard to think that UGREEN has only been in the NAS market for a couple of years, but it's really easy to understand while they're quickly becoming serious players in this space. And now, here's that video that I mentioned that is going to show you how to set up your brand new UGREEN NAS straight out of the box.